is Matt. What's your name? It's great to see you. Wow, it's Don from the Learning Station.
Hi, Matt.
Hi, Don. Let's sing a song together.
That sounds like fun.
Here we go! Oh no, I can't stop shaking. That means it's time to sing. Shake it out. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake it